Good morning. So I realize that some students have been struggling to find their schedules. So what you'll see when you log on to your e-class page is instead of your apps, it looks more like this now. So the first thing you'll see are your e-class course pages. These are your teacher pages. To find your schedule, you want to go on My Student VUE. You want to click right here on My Student VUE. So when I click on my student view over here on the left side, I can see messages, my calendar, my attendance, my class schedule. You want to go to class schedule, and this is going to show you what your day looks like. Now, please remember that we alternate on our connection. So we have a connection A and a connection B. So if I'm looking at the student schedule, I'll see that this person has homeroom, advisement, which we know right now is the same thing, and that's from 9 to 9:30. Then they have their first academic, second academic, their lunch, connections, third academic, and fourth academic. That's if I'm on the today view. If I were to switch over to first semester, I'm able to see my homeroom, my advisement, academic 1, academic 2, connection A, connection B, academic 3, academic 4. Obviously, this is a 6th grader schedule, so a 7th grader and an 8th grader, your schedule is going to look a little more different. However, you can all just kind of take from the same thing. If, again, I'm under the first semester tab and it shows me all of my classes. This helps you know, based on our schedule, where to go. So, for example, 9 to 9:30, this is the 6th grade schedule for digital learning. 9 to 9:30, the student would be in homeroom and advisement. 9:30 to 10:30 would be the student's first period. So if I go back here to their schedule, either today or first semester, I'm going to see that there's their homeroom and advisement. There's the first period. Students then have a 10-minute break, second period. So again, I can go back to first semester. Their second period is right here. The student would go first period and then second period social studies, which would also include their lunch. So right here would be their second period and lunch. And then they would turn around and they would go to their connection. Because today is Friday, they would go to their B-Day connection. And then they would again have another break. And once their break is over, they would then turn around and go to their third period and then their fourth period and then end the day. If you have any questions, please direct them to your teachers and they can bring them to me. Have a great day.